Hey everybody, it's Sabrina. I have my last PEP Talks project to share with you. I think I'm going to wind up making 4 pages, I believe. I'm going to start with this large 4x6 photo, black and white, and then a red photo of me cycling. And then I'm going to adhere some more photos just to get it all out of the way. I have another 4x6 photo of myself, and then a few 3x2s. I think I did that design earlier in this project, maybe not a 4x6, but I repeated a few of the designs. So I loved that red tag right there, but I wasn't sure how to use it. And then once I pushed it over to the right side, I was like, oh, I could trim it. So I trimmed it, and then I'm going to trim it on the left side and just use one portion of the label. But I am going to have trouble with my pen, and it was just being a pain. But I said on the label that Coach Kell workouts are my new favorite. They are really working out for me, and they're much easier on my arthritis and my knee issues. And then cycling is also a fun thing that I like to do every once in a while. And so I just wrote that on the label, and I added a ombre sticker above it, and then I'm gonna finish it up with a smiley face sticker and then some arrows around that cycling photo, and then I will move on to the next page. I just love documenting my fitness journey and just kind of celebrating myself and how well I have done. So I wind up skipping a page, and I will come back to that in a minute, and I am going to go forward with doing this page because I didn't want 2 4x6s on the same type of thing. I didn't want to go back to back with 4x6 photos. So for this one, I'm sticking to red, and I have some circles that I'm stamping. I love this so much, is the sticker. And I used a piece of paper to kind of not do a full circle, but I didn't really like how it turned out, but I can't go back and fix it, so it's fine. I should have stamped the circle first and then put the sticker over, and that would have worked out better. And then at the bottom, I am just talking about how I started the Coach Kell summer program, 30 days of sculpt, and I am just kicking butt on it, and I'm just so proud of myself. I'm going to go back to the beginning, these little small squares, and I'm going to finish up those. I think I added one longer photo, and then I'm going to stamp a bunch of phrases, deep breaths, this sparks joy, growing through it, and then yay, so proud of myself, and just finishing up that little page right there, and I love it. Okay, so the page that I skipped, I decided, you know what, I can't find a photo that I want to put in there. Why don't I just have fun with all the different stamps? So I laid them all out to kind of make a fun little pattern of stamps, blocking of stamps, and I'm just going to stamp it all in black. So I did aha moment, shine on, it's okay, it's all okay, taking care of myself, deep breaths, happy thought, and it's all okay did not stamp so great, so I went back and stamped that on a piece of paper, and then I'll just cut that out. And once I fussy cut it out, you can't even tell that it wasn't stamped directly on the paper. I'm also going to do it again on the focus on the good because I just wanted to have some consistency. Also got out the rainbow because I thought that would be a perfect touch for this little page that is mostly black stamped ink, and then I'll put a small rainbow over on the left hand side. And I stamped keep going, this is how I stay sane, and this gives me energy. And then I'm going to finish it up with some stamping of the circles, the outline circles, the full circles, and then a little sparkle is what I call it. And that will finish up this little spread, and I just love it. I had so much fun playing with my stamps and just trying to figure out a way to kind of display all those positive affirmations. Gonna add a sticker at the bottom of the right that says remember this, and then I love this so much on the left hand side a little bit higher up. And then I'll have 2 half circle stickers up there, and that will finish up this spread. So it's such a fun way to kind of like I said, document the affirmations and just try out your stamps and figure out a pattern that will work great for your project. So I'm finishing that up, and then I'm going to go on to the last page where I basically documented, well, not basically, I did document myself in a bikini. It's a high-waisted bikini, but still, I have not worn one since I had kids, or before I had kids, so that's 12 years, 13 years. So I put a selfie right there. It's a Thursday 3 selfie that I used. And then I digitally stamped out strong and beautiful because I was feeling lazy and I didn't want to do it with the alphabets. And then I'm going to add some greenery stamping. And then above that is the photo of myself in my new bathing suit, feeling so brave and so proud of myself. And so I put, I love this so much. And then today's little win, I am going to put that on the side and then trim out a piece of paper to kind of be a little tab. So that way you know that it flips up and you can see underneath it that it says strong and beautiful. And then I'm going to add some dots onto the back of the page. It worked perfect for the swimming theme and just tying the flip pocket and the page together. And then I'm just going to talk about how over 1 year of moving and I've come so far and I'm so proud of myself. And then I will sign it and I will be done. And I hope you guys have enjoyed seeing this process video come together. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.